My name is Aki, and I'm from India, New Delhi, and I come to China in 2008 to work as a waiter in Shanghai in some Indian restaurant. And end of the 2019, I decided to come to Guizhou because some of my friends told me that there's no Indian restaurant in Guizhou, in Guiyang. So I thought, okay, it could be a good decision. And luckily in Guiyang, it was pretty good. Like the people were much more open to try Indian food. Yeah, Indian food and Chinese food are very, very different. Indian food is basically based on all the curries, like kali. So that's very different from Chinese. And with the Chinese food is more of it's based on the meat and vegetables to eat. I am the person who like the countryside life kind of thing. And Guiyang is a big city, but the small city center here, like all the big buildings and the city life. And then you just go 20 minutes out and you can see the mountain as well. So it's really good. It's one of the place I want to live in. So the best thing about running the restaurant is you get to meet a lot of new people and you talk to them and you learn new things. So that is the best part. I think the food industry will be very, very good in future. Now it will boost very fast. I can see the boost in my business as well. It's getting better and better now.